And we're going to have more on that story coming up in just a couple of minutes and what's happening in parts of our area as they prepare for this oncoming storm. Now to the coronavirus. New state data showing 37% of people that are testing positive for COVID are fully vaccinated. Plus, 32% of COVID patients in the hospital are also fully vaccinated. News Channel 12's investigative reporter Kate Hussey reached out to local health officials. She's joining us now live. And Kate, what are we seeing here locally?
Well, Frank, here at Carolina East Medical Center in Newbern, nearly half of the patients here at the hospital with COVID-19 are fully vaccinated. It's something healthcare officials tell me is something we haven't seen under other variants. A new year for downtown Newbern. It's visitors maskless, it's businesses back open. A much different picture this January than the quiet, shut-down streets we saw in January of 2021.
I'm still hoping that this year is going to be a lot better.
Yet with COVID case counts breaking new records under the Omicron variant, for some, the only real change seems to be this: the amount of vaccinated people now testing positive alongside the unvaccinated.
I know a lot of people that have had the vaccine and still get the COVID and stuff like that. I guess it's just random if you get it, I don't know.
According to new state data, 37% of people testing positive for COVID are fully vaccinated, and 32% of people in the hospital with COVID have also gotten both shots.
Even locally, we've seen a lot of vaccinated people testing positive for the Omicron variant.
Jim Davis, vice president of the nursing office at Carolina East Medical Center, says Friday 26 out of 54 COVID patients are vaccinated. It's confusing for some people, told the best defense against COVID is the vaccine.
I mean, there's just so much stuff out there going on about it. I really don't know what to believe and what not to believe.
Davis agrees it is confusing, but says vaccines aren't meant to be perfect, only to help.
The vaccine it is preventing some people from getting the illness, but it's primarily preventing severe illness.
Davis says while almost half the COVID patients in the Newbern Hospital are vaccinated, none of those people are in the ICU. As for the people I talked to in downtown Newbern, they all hope that in 2023, this will finally all be over.
I thought it would be over a lot sooner than this, but just taking it day by day.
Now, across the state, 21% of COVID-19 patients in the ICU are currently fully vaccinated. Reporting live in Newbern tonight, I'm Kate Hussey for News Channel 12.
A Cherry Point Marine is charged with several